Me no plan to play with you this time neither. The last time I talked to you about this, when you no send loved one a foreign. Alright, you no love one when you no come here. You no have a dirty style. You no go home with the things them and say we never send no barrel and you no send one 6 and 7 barrel. And I go back to Jamaica and tell people, oh, we are live bad. You know how we are live bad? Because when you no come here, you don't pay no bill. And we hooking up and give you a little job. And you work. And you take no money and save and buy everything you see fancy if you go down. And when you go down, you talk all type of shit, but you come and find come do better than we. One, we pay every bill. Two, $100 service for the week. When you come here, we start near 200. Light bill go up, gas bill go up, and water bill go up. Because when you come from Jamaica right away, you no love beard bad. Every minute you no beard think you don't want to change your color for go back and tell people say how you no get brown. You no know no lie me I tell. We couldn't send barrel because we have too much thing to do. And send back money for you so often. Every minute you no call about somebody sick and something else. So when you no come up here, you no pack on the barrel and you no send down, you no make you look like we are idiot. But me I go tell you now, the next time you no come here, you no go pay a bill. That's why people no put up people. That's why we no want to know we hard. Even no visa say 6 months, we are going to start going to 2 weeks. That means that after 2 weeks, if you don't get a job, you no get out here. You no go start take up some bill. Somebody go pay the light, somebody go pay the water. That means that when you come up around, I know say hard. And no play a thing. Because when you come here, you come boast from people who do better than we and we couldn't send barrel and we can't do this and we can't do that because we had already adapt to the system and know say we have to straight. We have to pay rent. We have to pay mortgage. Oh no too dirty with no style when you come here. One visa come here. One time I feel like you're better than people. Wait till you get seasoned to the system in here when you get stuck and can't move. You no start cuss and say Jamaica a better place. You better me did stay home. If you know say you did should have stay home, you should have stay home long time. Don't stuck on me. Please go back home, go stuck on the government. Since I saw no feel. We don't know dirty lifestyle. You no better than me, but guess what? Until next time, you know I go hear how you go. Oh.